Today the video is a bit different. I'm going to make a jam, but it's a cashew jam with champagne. I'm going to use the passion fruit, just the white part. Okay, so let's go. First, I'm going to remove the cashew nuts. It's very difficult for me to do it in just one hand. So I'm going to get the cashew nuts off and I'm going to chop them. Once the cashews are diced, we're going to put them in the pan. Now they're in the pan, I'm going to put the champagne. I'm also going to put a bit of brown sugar, just a little bit. I just added a little bit of brown sugar. I'm going to stir and wait. Yep. So after cooking, I put it in a blender and it has to look something like this. So this is the result. Let's spread on a cracker. Yeah. Spread more, teacher. Yes, okay. Okay, and I put a piece of cheese. Okay? Good.